All right, we are in Unit 5, which is the informational text. Kind of one of my favorite units. Honestly, I love informational text. So here we go. Make sure you have a moment to take a look at that overview. These are going to remain very similar to the past, so you can reread those if you need to. There are a few book recommendations, but honestly, I'm sure that you have quite a few. But these are some that offer some great, text features or different types of question and answer format. So those are some recommendations that I can give. Up at the top, we have Ice Bear and Just Ducks by Nicola Davies. Both of those also offer some great word choice. So if that's something you're working on, check out Nicola Davies. She's one of my favorites. Okay, update your writing chart. We do that every single month and have students place their post-it note next to the one that they want to focus on for that period of time. And then usually they can move it at some point during the month. They may want to move it, or you may suggest having them move that. Nothing different there. Rubric. And here's the unit. Okay. I didn't mean rubric. I meant continuum. Okay. So here is the unit. So we're going to be doing these kind of all about books, which I think is a lot of fun. But then, of course, we have other things in here that are not just about the genre. And so let's go ahead and take a look at coming up with topic ideas. So this is, again, a way that we brainstorm. So students can have a variety of ideas. Sometimes it's not always easy for students to come up with their own ideas. So we would do the same idea. We use that as a placeholder. So we see places. Boys and girls turn to somebody, turn to your partner and talk about a place you know a lot about. Talk about people you know a lot about. Animals, something like that. So anyhow, brainstorm, and then students can add those to the all about topic sheet that's on there as well. Let's see. We have what informational writing, what makes a good piece, because sometimes students want to write all about something, but they don't have enough, or they're not sure they have enough about it. So we have a planning page for them to write out. Do they have enough? The topic might be dinosaurs. Do they really have enough information? Do they know enough that they could write about it? Let's see. We want to make sure that we talk about different text features. So there's some charts in there for you as well. We also have examples that are modeled writing. So this is, again, something that you are going to need to do. You're welcome to use my samples if you want to, but make sure that you're adding that modeled writing as well. This one, we're using labels. So lots and lots of text features in this particular month. And again, those last three, days 16, 17, and 18 are days that you're going to reteach things that you notice students need. Day 19, they're going to pick a piece to fix it up. Now, I don't have students rewrite everything. If they decide that the text that they wrote, they just want, they're not happy with it, you can go ahead and cut off that text, add a new piece of paper if they want to rewrite it, and put that over the top, right? Or if they didn't like the picture and they like the words, feel free to use, literally cutting, not pasting, but taping probably, is a great way for them to make their meaning more clear. So that's always our goal, is how can we make this piece of writing more clear to the reader? And so that's kind of what our goal is during that fix it up time. Those pieces they decided not to publish are going to be gathered together, put the parent letter. You're going to find those parent letters right inside those rubric files. And then you have your celebration. And that is your informational text. Enjoy.